I just got this rooftop strobe light bar for my truck. You could use it for any type of strobe lights or thing you want on top of your truck, especially if you are going to be someone who's in construction or things like that. It's magnet mounted and it's certified for up to 100 miles per hour when you are driving down the road. And so what's cool about this is you've got plenty of cord and wire for it, and you are going to have the access panel right here that you can put in your truck, and you're going to put that right into your AC lighter there. So we'll take it out to the truck and put it on and show you what it looks like. All right, so here you can see I've got it mounted on my F-150. Just put it right in the middle. Super easy installation. Here's a close-up of it. You just put 3 screws on right here. These magnets, I mean, you know, you have to really work on it to get it out of there, and you can see what it looks like when it is mounted. We'll get this thing turned on now and show you how it works. All right, so here we got this. We'll turn it on. There's the first one. Have it going that way. Have it go the opposite way. Out there. You can customize it. You can have it be a pattern, and you can see that it's not only the front, but also the back, all those same things that I just showed you. And so all of this happens right here on your master control, which you can put in there. Super easy to use. And you can see how you can set that all up. And so we're later on at night. Here is what it looks like. Really reflects all around. Go through the different ones here.